To begin, let's make a marinade. In a large mixing bowl, add in the juice of 1 full lemon, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of dried cilantro leaves, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then whisk to incorporate. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now, add in 1 pound of skinless, boneless chicken breast cut into large chunks, followed by 3 bell peppers. We're using green, red, and yellow, cut up into pretty large chunks as well. Last but not least, 1 large red onion. Now toss and ensure that the veggies and the chicken are coated in the marinade. Now cover and transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, the bamboo skewers that we're using don't quite fit into the air fryer, so let's fix that. It looks like we have to cut about ½ an inch off. This recipe makes 8 chicken kebabs, so let's go ahead and get 8 bamboo skewers ready. Cut them off just like so they're all the same length. Then transfer them into a large container and soak them in cold water. By soaking them in water for at least 20 minutes will prevent them from cooking with the food. Now prep the kebabs by inserting the bamboo skewers through the chicken and the veggies just like so. Now set your air fryer temperature to 400 degrees and 12 minutes and preheat the air fryer basket for 3 minutes. Once your air fryer has been preheated, transfer them into the air fryer basket. Also, place them into the air fryer basket in a single layer. We are going to air fry them in batches so they cook properly. Air fry them at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, and halfway through the cooking time, get them out and flip them over. Continue air frying for the remaining time. If you're interested in the air fryer that we are using today, check out the link in the description box down below. And if everything goes according to plan, your air fryer chicken kebabs will look like this. Yo, check them out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer chicken kebabs. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.